Welcome back to the Google Classroom Masterclass. We are into part 7 now. We are going to go into the classwork again, and we're going to continue with this theme of Tech 101 and making new posts here. And we're going to go into a question. So the question's pretty simple. It's, what is binary as a question? So in here, instructions again, read the instructions. Same format. Can I add new files and YouTube links? So I'm going to go into Khan Academy this time. I'm going to search for it. And I'm going to go to data here and then do a quick search. And we are going to go into this one here. I'm just going to go and grab that one to start with. So I know it's not exactly the same one, but we get the idea of adding links and whatnot in here. Same again, same format. You can add different bits and pieces in here. It will go into Joshua's classwork, and he'll get a notification as he has done before. So same format. Do you want to schedule it? Do I want to put a due date into it and schedule it for the calendar notifications? And students can edit the answer. I'm going to go ask. This is a short answer. And then Joshua will get this over here. So you're able to really quickly go and get, how was the lesson today? Short answer. And then you're able to go into multiple choice as well. Was it good? Bad? Okay. Other. Same again, you can add bits and pieces. I'm going to go and ask this. So I get what we call a climate survey. So we're able to go and ask students straight away, straight into here, multiple classes, all at once. How was PE this term? Or how was science this term? Or how was anything this term? So we can go and show this, and we can ask them, what is binary? Your answer, ones and zeros. So go back out of here, back into my other questions. So how is my lesson today? Good, bad, etc., etc. I'm going to go, it was okay, thank you very much. Hand that in. When you go and hand that in, you may have noticed at the top, then you can see at a glance what's going on from your classes, from your classmates. Now, if you go into here and go and view the question, you can go and see what's happening based on who's saying what in here, which I think is really nice and still in that vein of keeping things in the public view within these classes. So I'm going to go back into my classwork now and continue in here. I'm going to go and grab some material this time, and very similar, very familiar setup here. What is binary? I'm going to go with that again. Read the instructions. Again, add topics. I can go and add my links again as I've done before. Same again, multiple classes, all students, or groups, and then post it out. So the material is literally stuff from your Google Drive. That's, if you've got pre-made PowerPoints that you want to go and put in there, that's fine. Remembering that the students will open this up into PowerPoint and it'll be converted into a Google Doc. And then my favorite, which is reuse post. So within here, I will have made lots of things in my classes, and I know that there is something that fits this class here with other classes. So I'm able to go and ask Tech 101, which is my original one for Joshua, and I want to go and send out that Scratch project and slideshow for all my students in, say, Year 2. So I'm going to go and make new copies of all the attachments which are in there, because I know that there was a slide deck in there. I'm going to go to reuse, and I will say, where do you want to go and send it to? So I've now got a copy of this, and I know that I want to go and send this to my Year 2 students all at once, and I don't have to reinvent the wheel. And it's got my all students, make a copy for each student. So if you've got 4 classes, in some cases that's probably close to 100 or over 100 students at once. You can set a date, and then in here you can go and add your rubric if you want to go and add a rubric. We've not mentioned this yet. You're able to import it from Sheets and create a rubric like that. Very standard rubric setup. I'm going to go and exit this. I don't want that. And I don't want to send this to 4 classes because these classes are actually live right now. So I hope that bit's clear. I'm going to go and assign this. Have I got Year 2 Tech? Go and assign this now. Unfortunately, poor Joshua is going to get the same thing in twice in one morning. Sorry, Joshua. Tech 101, it should pop up and it should have a new topic in here. There we go. No due date on that one. So I'm going to go into the stream now. That's classwork pretty much covered with all our bits and pieces. The topic was at the beginning, which was Tech 101. This time I'm going to go to Tech 102. As always, good luck. And next we're going to go into people and our marks.